In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly send money using Wise. Sending money internationally can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with Wise, it's both straightforward and efficient. We're here to guide you through the process, ensuring you can confidently manage your transactions. Once you've logged in, the first place you'll land is your dashboard. Here, you'll notice several options prominently displayed: Send, Add money, and Request. Today, our focus is on sending money, so let's click on Send. When you click Send, you'll be prompted to either search for a recipient by name or add a new recipient if they're not already saved in your contacts. Let's go ahead and click Add Recipient. Next, you need to decide the currency you'll be sending. This step is crucial as the currency affects the conversion rates and fees. Simply choose the correct currency from the menu and then click it to proceed. It's time to add your recipient's details. If your recipient uses Wise, you have the handy option to find them directly on the platform. However, if this isn't the case, you'll have other options at your disposal, such as sending to an e-wallet or using bank details. For today, let's focus on sending money to an e-wallet. Now that we're ready to select the e-wallet option, you'll be given a choice. Send funds to yourself, someone else, or perhaps a business or charity. Today, we're opting to send money to someone else. Click on that option to continue. At this stage, you'll need to fill out all the necessary details for the recipient thoroughly. This includes their email address, full name, e-wallet provider, the recipient's e-wallet number, and their city. Accuracy is vital here to ensure the funds reach their intended destination without hitch. Once all this information is filled in, click Continue. Upon clicking Continue, you'll be directed to enter the amount you wish to send. Take your time entering this number to ensure it is correct. Before finalizing anything, Wise will prompt you to review all the details of your transaction. This review step is key. It's your moment to confirm that all information, from names and numbers to amounts and currencies, is correct and free of mistakes. Once you have verified that everything is accurate, it's time for the final step. Confidently click Pay to complete the transaction, and there you have it. That's how you effortlessly send money via Wise. With just a few clear steps, you ensure your funds reach whoever they're intended for, quickly and securely. Thanks for following along, and happy transferring.